In our attempt to bring an old tool up to modern day standards, let me show you what we've done. Introducing hand planes, the 21st century. Why we continue to use slot screws on high use places like the one that holds the lever cap in place and it gets all chewed up. Well, here's what we've done. You'll also notice sometimes that when you're retracting your blade, the lever cap would slide up. Well, that won't happen anymore because this kit we now have for your Wood River, and we have a separate kit for Lee Nelson, has a little bevel on the bottom side that will bite down in there and prevent that from moving. But it's all a hex head. And what's nice is it's nice and positive. There's no slipping. Works fantastic. So you can replace this one. You can replace your 2 frog retaining screws on either side. And the nice thing about that is with that screwdriver and that ball on the end, you can get at it from a little bit on an angle. Works beautifully. These are hardened, by the way, so that they won't get marked up. Your center screw, which retracts and advances the blade. Same thing with that hex head. And finally, the screw that holds your lever cap, your chip breaker and your blade together is now also a hex head and a nice positive fit. Just works extremely well. So much easier than trying to keep a slotted screwdriver in that slot. You know how it slides around on you. There you go. For any of your Wood River planes, that kit, and any of your Lee Nelson planes, that kit. There you go.